Good morning, children. Now, today we are going to start with our grammar book, that is Grammar and More, Unit 1 and the Chapter 1. The topic is sentences. Dear children, you are very well familiar with sentences. What are sentences? As we have studied last year also. So, sentences is what? A sentence is a group of words that make a complete sense. For example, if I say, I love to read books, that is a complete sentence. And if I say, read books, or if I say, love to read, that is what? So, sentence is divided into two parts, that is a phrase and a sentence. Sometimes a group of words make a sense but not a complete sense, that is called a phrase. So, you see in your book, it is very clearly given in your book. A sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense called sentences. Sentence begins with capital letter, ends with full stop, question mark or an exclamatory mark. Sometimes group of words make sense but not a complete sense is called a phrase. So, phrase is what? Very good example it is given in your book, like at an event, a lovely blue mug. And we can change a phrase into a sentence by joining the words. So, look at the example in your book. It is given, many environmentalists spoke at an event organized by Terry. So, at an event is a phrase and we have changed this phrase into a complete sentence by joining the words. Like how many environmentalist means who work on the environment, spoke at an event, they gave a speech on an event organized by a Terry. Another one is given, it is a lovely blue mug. My brother gifted me a lovely blue mug on my birthday. So, in this way, a phrase can be converted into a sentence by joining the words with a meaningful sentence to make a meaningful sentence. So, very simple it is. Here in your book, the exercise is given, rearrange this group of words to make a phrase or sentence. So, you can see in your book how it is given, the exercise. My dear children, this exercise you have to do it in your book itself, in your grammar book itself. And if you don't have the grammar book, you can write in the notebook. So, this exercise I am going to send you the pic for these exercises and you do it. Do it in the book itself. Now comes the second one, it is given, choose the correct phrase from the box and fill in the blanks. So, phrases are already given in the box, you have to choose it and you have to complete this sentence. Next one, what are kinds of sentences? Kinds of sentences are declarative sentence, interrogative, imperative, exclamatory. Declarative sentence, that declares something, that states something. From the sentence itself we come to know that this sentence is declaring, states something. So, how Pankaj Senwal was amongst the 18 children who got a National Bravery Award in 2018. So, here what the sentence is saying, what it is declaring, Pankaj Senwal, who was among the 18 children who got a National Bravery Award. So, it is saying, it is declaring something, that who got the National Bravery Award in the year 2018. Pankaj, who is 16-year-old, saved his mother from leopard. In the second sentence, it is declaring what? Pankaj means the boy who is just an 18-year-old saved his mother from leopard. So, you will understand more when we do the sentences of this. Interrogative sentence, very simple. They ask questions, they end with a question mark, and that is very important. In the interrogative sentence, you have to put question mark. Where were the 2016 Olympic held? Which country does Serena Williams belong to? Imperative sentence. Imperative sentences express a command, make a request or a suggestion. Finish your lunch, that is a command. Please drop me at metro station, it's a request. You should wear your jacket as it is getting cold, that is a suggestion. So, in the imperative sentence, some sentences depends the way we speak. Give me a pen. So, I am commanding something. I am giving a command to somebody to give me his or her pen. And if I say, please give me a pen, then I am requesting somebody. So sometimes the sentences depends on the way we say them. Now comes the exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentences are, imperative sentence first. Imperative sentences express request, command or suggestion. Examples are already given here. Finish your lunch. Please drop me at metro station. You should wear your jacket as it is getting cold. Now comes the exclamatory. Exclamatory sentences express strong or sudden feelings or emotions. Like how they end with an exclamatory mark, we can use what, such, what or such and to form an exclamatory sentence. Pankaj is a true inspiration for youngsters. What a pleasant surprise. Such a beautiful garden. So exclamatory sentences exclaim something. Right? It exclaims something, express a sudden feeling. Wow, what a beautiful scenery. So it is a sudden feeling. We see the scenery and we give our reaction towards that. So this is what the exclamatory sentence. So dear children, I am going to send you the pic of this exercise A, exercise B and exercise C. It is given in your book. That is, add correct punctuation mark at the end of these sentences and write their kinds. Like Nusrat fell sick after eating junk food. So which sentence it is? Declarative. It is declaring something, that he ate junk food and fell sick. Who are you looking for? It is interrogative sentences. What a brilliant idea! Exclamatory sentence. So these are some of the sentences. You have to do it in your book itself, in your grammar book itself. And if you don't have, then only you are supposed to do it in your grammar notebook. Otherwise do it. So till exercise E I am going to give you today. This you have to do it. And if any doubt, please let me know. Thank you.